Hey there, the Art-tastic sisters here. So for today's video, we're gonna make a gift box DIY. Well, my sister saw two of these things which we got with biscuits, with packets of biscuit lying around, and she just took one of them, placed it inside the other like this, and she made the setup. And my mom was like, you can make a gift box using that. So I was like, yeah, we can. And here we are, making the gift box. So what you'll be needing is, of course, two things like these. You can make them using paper as well, which I'm gonna show you right now. If you're doing it with paper, then what you have to do is first take a scale and leave some gap as much as you want your gift box to be, how wide you want your gift box to be. So you have to do it with all the four sides. Now I'm going to take a scissor and cut along this line up to here, just this much. So I'm going to do the same with this side as well, and same with these two lines as well. So first you have to fold along this line like this. Do the same with the other side, and now you have to fold like this. So now I'm going to open this up and fold this part like this. Yes, now we're done. Now all we have to do is stick this like this. Stick this piece to this one like this, and the same with the other side. And yes, we've stuck them together and we've got a lid like before. We have to make one more of this so that one can be the place where we put the things and other one can be the lid. So I'll be using both of these things, so let's keep this one aside and let's take the lid out. So I'm only gonna do a pattern on the lid using paint. Yes, we have our lid, and I have put newspaper over here because there is a chance that the paint will spill, so I don't want anything to get dirty. So yes, I'm going to be using two colors, yellow and black, and a little bit of golden. So yes, let's start. First, I'm going to take some yellow paint and pour it like this. Yeah, okay. Now some black paint. A little bit more of yellow paint. Yes, so I'm nicely gonna let it go down now. As you can see, there's a beautiful pattern which is forming. So I'm going to be doing this again and again to get a nice pattern on the lid. Now I've taken an ice cream stick and I'm gonna draw lines like these all around. Now we have this. I'm gonna add some golden, and yes, do the same with it. So yes, I have done the painting, so here's how it looks. I've not done the sides yet, so I'm gonna do it right now. My plan is to do two sides black and two sides yellow. So let's do it. So yes, now I've done the lid, and now I'm going to take the other box and place the lid on top of it. And yes, we've closed the box. Now let's take a ribbon and wrap it around. Yes, this is the final work. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. And if you have any suggestions or doubts, feel free to drop them down in the comments. Here are a few videos on the screen which you may like, so do click on them and watch. That's it for today. See you next Saturday. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay creative.